Yes, Assalamualaikum students. Now we solve question number 3, first part of exercise 2.4. As I told you before, that is also one important question, and the method of solution is that same. First of all, we have tried to make its prime factors. We have tried to make its the prime factors and write its exponent form. Some of the exponents, remember that you can already knew it, so we can write it directly. The remaining that we will make its factor. Like 2 raised power 1 over 3, you will write same. 27, that is a 3 cube. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. So we will write here 3 cube and its exponent 1 over 3. After, in the second step, we will power multiply with its power. But 60 we have to make its factor, and 180 we need its factor. Here we use the rough procedures. For 180, like 2 into 90, then 2 into 45, then 3 15s are 45, then 3 5s are, then 5 1s are. Right? After that we have to use the factors of 60. 60 के फैक्टर्स भी हम बना लेते हैं, इसी के नीचे बना लेते हैं. 60 के फैक्टर्स क्या बनेंगे? 2 into 30, 15, 3 into 5, and 5 into 1. So when you will write the factors of 60, 60 is that how many times 2 repeat? Twice, and 3 also repeats. No, 3 and 5 single. So we will write like here 2 exponent 2 multiply by 3 multiply by 5. In the place of 60 we write its prime factors. 2 into 2 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 5s are 60, और सब का एक्सपोनेंट क्या बन जाएगा? 1 over 2. Same. In the denominator, when we will go in the denominator, at that time equal sign you have to write here in the fractions place. 180, how many factors? 180. 2 repeats twicely, 3 repeats twicely, 5 repeat once. So 2 exponent 2 multiply by 3 exponent 2 multiply by 5, and its whole power 1 over 2. 4, it's clear that one. 4 is having the square of the 2 square, and its exponent minus 1 over 4. And 9 is also the exponent of, who's that one? Square of 3. Good. First step solve. आपने यहाँ पे केयर बहुत करनी है, जल्दी की तो आपसे गलती हो जाएगी. क्या स्टेप है? The first step is that try to make its prime factors in the exponent form. After that we will expand the bracket because there is no addition sign between them, so the power will multiply by each exponent. So the first will become 2 exponent 1 over 3, here 3 exponent 3, and power अगर bracket हो तो power के साथ क्या हो जाता है बेटा? Multiply. So that is 1 over 3. Okay, here 2 exponent 2 its power 1 over 2, फिर 3 की पावर भी क्या हो जाएगी? 3 पावर 1 over 2, then 5 exponent 1 over 2. न्यूमरेटर को मैंने पूरा सॉल्व कर लिया. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू द डिनोमिनेटर. In denominator, 1 over 2, inside the bracket there are 3 terms, so its exponent will multiply by each exponent. So 2, its exponent 2, bracket की power 1 over 2 will multiply. So 3 exponent 2 multiply by its whole power 1 over 2. So 5, its exponent 1 multiply by 1 over 2. So same 1 over 2 will remain same. Right? Now 2, its exponent 2 and whole bracket power multiply by minus 1 over 4, and here also 3 square multiply by its whole power 1 over 4. Till here we solve. Now we have to simplify. Try to simplify. How many can Once we simplify, then the remaining we will solve in the next step. Then inshallah it will be efficient. This 3 possible to cancel by this 3. This 2 is also possible by this 2. Cancel. Here also 2 by this 2 cancel. Here also this 2 cancel by this 2. And here 2 cancel by 2 2s are 4. And here also 2 2s are 4. Now first I remove the rough procedure, then after that I will explain the next step. Wait a second, I remove first. Now after removing the rough procedure, we have to write the remaining part. So you have to be very careful, because it's also chances to mistake when you are shifting the question from one page to other page or other portion. 2 exponent 1 over 3 will remain same. Okay, then 3 3 cancel. What is remaining here? Only 3. Here 2 exponent cancel by 2, so what's remaining here? Only 2. Here nothing cancellation, so 3 exponent 1 over 2 will remain same. Here 5 exponent 1 over 2 will also remain same. Numerator I solved that. How many terms here? 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. It means that there is nothing missing in the numerator. So now we will go on the denominator. Here 2 and 2 cancel. What's remaining here? 2. So we will write here 2. Multiply. Here 2 and 2 cancel. What's remaining here? 3 only. So we will write here 3 only. 5 exponent 1 over 2, you will write it same. Here 2, its exponent 2 into 2 4 cancel, so minus 1 over 2 is remaining. Its exponent, what is remaining? Minus 1 over 2. And here 2 2s are 4, its exponent 3 exponent remaining 1 over 2. 1 over 2. You can see it here because I solved it 2 steps. That's why, to be very clear, there are the sign of multiplication in the numerator and the denominator. So it's possible to cancel the numerator to denominator when the same number. So check it. This 3 is cancelled by this 3. Okay? What is more cancellation? Here 2 is also cancelling here. So this 2 is cancelled by this 2. 2 1s are 2. So 5 1 over 2 is also cancelling here, and here also 5 1 over 2 exponent cancel. So 3 exponent 1 over 2, and here also 3 exponent 1 over 2 will be cancelled. So what's remaining in the numerator? So in remaining numerator is only 2 exponent 1 over 3. And here exponent minus 1 over 2. What's this exponent? Minus 1 over 2. When this exponent minus 1 over 2 shifting in the numerator, so its sign will be changed. Right? When the base is same, so what should happen with its exponent? Add. Good. So its exponent 2 1 over 3 plus 1 over 2. 1 over 3 plus 1 over 2. So when adding it, then what we will get the result? You are adding this one. So what you will get the answer? 2 exponent 2 plus 3, 5 over 6. According to this statement, we will get the result 2 exponent 5 over 6. That is our answer. Students, after checking that, I found there is a little mistake according to statement of the book. According to statement of the book, there is a little mistake of exponent 4. Exponent 4 is minus 1 over 3. Here exponent 4 minus 1 over 3. But if you are solving with the help of minus 1 over 4, that's absolutely right. But if there is, according to statement of the book, I will also make it correct. So what's in the book statement there? 1 over 3. So where is the change? I will change it. 1/3, and exponent here also will become -1/3. Here also you will change that -1/3. After that it will be not cancel. So what's change here? Other procedure is same. यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा चेंज आएगा. यहाँ पहले हमने कैंसिल किया था, अब हो जाएगा -2/3. What should come here? -2/3. -2/3. इधर भी आपके पास क्या चेंज आ जाएगा? जब ये ऊपर जाएगी एक्सपोनेंट, इट विल बिकम -2/3 की बजाय क्या हो जाएगा बेटा? +2/3. इधर भी क्या आ जाएगा? +2/3. 2/3 प्लस आपके पास डिनोमिनेटर सेम है. 2 + 1 क्या आ जाएगा? तो दैट विल बिकम 3/3, which will be cancel. So final answer will become 2. According to this statement of the book is answer is 2. लेकिन जो पहले सॉल्व किया था उसके हिसाब से वो आंसर भी ठीक था, लेकिन थोड़ा सा मतलब मिस्टेक होने की वजह से जो आंसर हमारे पास हो रहा था मैच नहीं कर रहा था. लेकिन हमारे स्टेप्स बाकी सारे ठीक थे, तो लिहाजा उसी में मैंने थोड़ी सी चेंजिंग करके आपको एक्सप्लेन कर दिया रिगार्डिंग बुक. तो बुक के तहत भी आपके पास ये क्वेश्चन पूरा सॉल्व हो गया. दैट इज अवर आंसर. ओके, थैंक यू, टेक केयर एंड अल्लाह हाफिज.